Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on today's dash cameras, and drop a comment below letting us know which one you'd choose or if you already use one of these. Now let's jump in. Have you ever been involved in an accident, a hit and run, or a road rage incident and realized too late that you had no proof of what really happened? Dash cameras have become one of the smartest upgrades any driver can make, and today's models don't just record video, they protect you, your car, and your peace of mind. In this video, I'm counting down the best car on-dash cameras available right now, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your driving needs and budget, so make sure you watch all the way through. Starting at number 5, the GKU dash cam front and rear camera is designed to provide reliable dual-channel recording for everyday drivers who want solid protection without complexity. This dashcam features a front camera capable of recording in full HD resolution and a rear camera that captures clear footage behind your vehicle, ensuring coverage from both angles. It includes a wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots, built-in G-sensor technology that automatically locks footage during sudden impacts, loop recording to continuously overwrite old clips, and night vision support that enhances clarity in low-light driving conditions. The compact design allows it to mount discreetly on the windshield, while the included rear camera connects via cable for continuous recording. What makes the GKU stand out is its simplicity and reliability, making it ideal for daily commuters and rideshare drivers who want dependable front and rear protection without dealing with complicated settings. The interface is easy to navigate and setup is quick even for first-time dashcam users. The only real drawback is that it lacks built-in Wi-Fi, but considering its overall performance and price, it is still absolutely worth buying. At number 4, the IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam takes coverage to the next level by offering 4-channel recording for full vehicle surveillance. This system includes front, rear, and interior cameras, along with an additional channel that captures side or cabin angles, depending on installation. It records high-resolution footage across all channels, supports infrared night vision for interior recording, features a built-in GPS module for speed and location tracking, and includes Wi-Fi connectivity for easy video transfer to your smartphone. Parking mode monitoring adds another layer of security when your car is parked. This dashcam truly shines for professional drivers, rideshare operators, and families who want maximum visibility inside and outside the vehicle. Its ability to record multiple angles at once provides unmatched peace of mind. While the multi-camera setup can take slightly longer to install, the added coverage easily makes it worth the effort. Coming in at number 3, the ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear is a well-known favorite thanks to its premium video quality and trusted performance. The front camera records stunning 4K Ultra HD footage, while the rear camera captures clear full HD video, ensuring license plates and road details remain visible. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme temperatures, wide-angle lenses, loop recording, and a responsive G-sensor for automatic incident detection. The ROVE R2 4K Dual is perfect for drivers who prioritize crystal-clear video quality and long-term reliability. It's especially great for highway driving and frequent travelers who want detailed footage, day and night. The rear camera resolution is not 4K like the front, but the overall quality and reliability still make it a smart purchase. At number 2, the Affver 4K dash cam front and rear delivers impressive performance with advanced features at a competitive price point. This dash cam records 4K footage from the front camera and high-definition video from the rear camera, offering wide-angle lenses to capture more of the road. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, enhanced night vision, parking mode, and intelligent loop recording to ensure continuous protection. The sleek design blends seamlessly into most vehicle interiors. This model stands out for drivers who want premium-level features without paying top-tier prices. It's an excellent choice for tech-savvy users who appreciate app connectivity and detailed video playback. While the mobile app interface could be slightly more refined, the overall value makes it more than worth buying. Taking the top spot at number 1, the TERUNSOUl 4K Plus 4K dash cam front and rear sets a new standard by delivering true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras. This system offers ultra-wide viewing angles, advanced night vision technology, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, intelligent parking surveillance, and a high-performance processor that ensures smooth, detailed video playback. The dual 4K setup captures exceptional clarity in all driving conditions, making it one of the most powerful dash cams available. The TERUNSOUl is best suited for drivers who want the highest possible video quality and maximum protection for their vehicle. Whether you're documenting long road trips or protecting a high-value car, this dashcam delivers unmatched performance. It sits at a higher price point, but the premium features fully justify the investment. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best car on-dash cameras. Before you go, remember to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description to grab the best deals on these dash cams, and leave a comment below letting us know which one you think is the best, or if you're already using one of them. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.